Hello! I was gonna say good morning. In fact, I did say good morning, but I'm editing that part out because it's actually 11:45 on Monday. I'm not sure how I'm gonna film this video because it's the middle of the night, which is normal for editing, not so normal for filming. I'm currently in the basement, that's why I'm talking to you at a normal volume, but for what I intend for this video, I gotta be one floor up. That means I might have to be silent. Not sure how I'm gonna do this yet. What I intend for this video is to make an angel for the top of the Christmas tree, but not just any angel. My cousin wanted Jesus on top of his tree. My cousin's gonna get Jesus on top of his tree. Giggity! Here are the extra ornaments, and I'm pretty sure I can find things in here that I can use to get creative. We need a Jesus head. So I think I'm gonna go with one of these smaller balls. Whoop, oh. I'm gonna grab a couple of these and see what they look like when I put everything together. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna whisper again, which means I got out my little Zoom. So here's the plan. I found one of these. This is going to be the body of Christ. That's my idea anyways. I think we're just gonna try stuff and see how it turns out. So I'm gonna start with this for like the base, and then I'm gonna go through the old decorations to find other things to make it a thing. Nope, not interested in that. I thought this might be big enough for the head, but maybe not. Not so much. I think we can do this. I think I'm going with this for hair. So I got this hanger that I'm thinking I can somehow make into arms. I'm not sure how bendy this is though. Might not be bendy at all. I might need to like heat it up. It's gonna smell bad. What if I don't? What if I just, what if that's just the body? Like that's the head. I wonder if this will work. Not bad. I feel like this is not gonna end well. What am I doing? No, seriously. What am I doing? I'm not sure I can make it work with this thing on the top. Okay. I feel like this could be something.
Jesus Christ.
Yay. Is it gonna work? Ah, look at that. Nice and snug as a bug. Not bad. Whoa. Ah, the head is coming off. Get up. Get up. Get up. Wow. I don't know what I'm going to do for hair, so I have this and I'm going to try it. Get off my Jesus head. No. God. I still like this idea though. Before I stick the head back onto the body, I'm going to do the halo, and I'm going to use this stuff. Come on now. Are you helping? You're distracting me. I was gonna cut a piece off and just make like 1 or 2 rings, but I'm gonna do this instead. No cutting. I'm just gonna put the whole thing on. Like that. Now, will someone look at this and go, that's Jesus? I doubt it. That's my best night. Glue gun. This is the loudest quiet thing I've ever done. Could I have done better? Yes. Could I have done better pulling random things out of a box while trying to be quiet while people are sleeping? Probably not. This is pretty interesting. I'm gonna put it on the tree now and see what happens. It's already starting to fall apart. So there's that. Let me fix this. I can't reach the top of the tree, so instead I'm leaving it beside the tree, and I'm gonna show my cousin tomorrow, and maybe he'll put it on top of the tree, or maybe he'll throw it directly into the trash. We'll find out tomorrow. So I'll show you something, okay?
It's the angel.
It's Jesus.
This Jesus. This is the Jesus on top of the tree.
Yeah.
I was like, why did you wrap up a coat hanger?
Why did I wrap up a coat hanger?